Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Laniqua and you have tuned in to see me do my simple wash day routine. Currently my hair is in a week-old twist out. It's crusty, dry, and honestly nasty looking. But first, cue my intro.
We're sisters, we're happy and we're singing and we're natural. Give me a high five.
Alright, cut and print. Beautiful girls. Dynamite day.
Next, I'm going to go in with Texture by Cantu's Cleansing Oil Shampoo. I will mention, guys, that this is my first time using their shampoo. Actually, I'm going to be using the conditioner later on in the video as well. And this is my first time using these products by them. I normally stick to with using their leave-in conditioner. I love using that on my twist outs. It works so amazing. But today I decided to give their shampoo and conditioner a try. And so far, you can see how sudsy the shampoo is getting. I thought it sussed up well enough, but it wasn't anything special. It was just your average shampoo. Once I've put conditioner throughout my hair, I like to go in and break it up into smaller sections so that I can begin detangling. What I use to detangle my hair is my good old fingers. I find it's best if I detangle my hair with my fingers because I'm able to feel the knots and tangles as opposed to using a brush or a comb where I can actually become a little heavy-handed and start snapping my ends, and that's not good because then that causes breakage, and breakage doesn't look good when it's time to do a twist out. I also like to take a moment and detangle each section for about 5 to 6 minutes. I just really want to make sure I'm getting all those knots out.
It's amazing when it's bad. It's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this, ever like, beat it, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, beat it, ever like, when it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this. We hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this.
So we've made it to my favorite part of the routine, which is deep conditioning. Now this deep conditioner by Shine & Co Oh, it works so amazing, guys. This was actually my first time using this product as well, but the results I received from this, I was in awe. Like when I put that in my hair, it just like melted into my hair like butter. Even at one point in the video, I'm gonna be like so shocked at how soft my hair was with this in, and when I washed it out, my hair was still soft and it was really shiny. So that's a product that I will continue to use and will go and buy again once I run out. Yay! Okay, I sounded so whack, but you made it to the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It was actually really fun filming. A little cold having to keep turning the water off because, you know, I can't waste my water. So I was repeatedly turning the water off and on in between filming. But at one point you're going to notice I don't completely wash all of the conditioner out my hair because I like to keep a little in. A little trick I like to do. And also you can see that my ends look a little raggedy, so I plan on cutting 2 to 3 inches off. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.